Hey folks, good morning, good morning, good morning. I've been up for 5 hours. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 5. I've been getting up at 5 for some reason. A little bit of what I've seen this morning on the news. Of course, El Chapo was delivered a life sentence with 30 years to go. And, I'm sorry, with the plus 30 on that, which is just ridiculous. Life is, I think, 40 years, 30 with parole, and 30 more on top of that. Yeah, he's gonna die wherever the hell he is. Actually, to tell you the truth, I don't think El Chapo was even in that hospital. I'm in that court. I think it was a prearranged ordeal. But somebody told me he was crying in court. He had a lot of complaints before the sentencing. Yeah, he gets life, baby, life. And that sucks because he's a patsy for Poppy Bush. Bush is the one that brought over all the heroin into our country. El Chapo was a part of Bush. There's many drug dealers out there. They claim that El Chapo is the main guy. No, he's not. Again, look over here while we're looking over here. Yeah. So yeah, he gets life. He was 3 doors down from Jeff Epstein, who has court this morning. It's 10 o'clock. I've been still waiting to find anything out about that. I haven't found anything on Epstein. Court. Hang on. Hearing appearance today. Yeah, I haven't heard anything on... Look, this is 10 days ago. 1 week ago. 2 days ago. 1 week. 1 week. Yeah, I'm not finding anything on his court case today. I've been saying over and over and over and over that he's either dead or he was escaped out of there. It's just funny that the news is not running with this morning. I mean, isn't this supposed to be like one of the biggest ordeals ever? Yeah, see, 1 week, 2 days. So, again, I don't know. If anybody has any information on him, we should probably go to maybe Jason Goodman. Because Jason is right down there. Jason Goodman. Epstein Court. Let's look that up. Jason Goodman actually went to this. It's kind of awesome. You know, I can't stand the guy. He's like every other Jew. He's got to get himself all up in the mixed. Yes, my last name is Jewish, but that's not my father. Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe somebody can help me out. Does anybody know what time his court time is? Because he's definitely supposed to have some sort of the judge is supposed to say something today on his case, and I haven't heard anything. I've been watching the news since 5 o'clock in the morning. So give me a shout out. I'm making slow roasted pork chops with all kinds of goodies. Yeah. All right, take care.